Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
We have here a family-oriented 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom with 2 of them en suite. This 2-story residence sits on a lot of 3,500 square feet in the coveted community of Caribbean Park, Tower Isle, St. Mary. This house is located just minutes away from the resort town of Ocho Rios and close to the beach. Also, with this house, you can enjoy the breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea from the rear balconies. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.